Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay to Shopify. So first of all, you have to head over to the Shopify dashboard of your store. Then you can see the settings option at the bottom left corner of here. You can see the settings option here. You have to tap onto the settings, and from there you can see the option called payments. You have to tap onto payments, then you have to tap onto search by provider. After tapping onto search by provider, you have to search for Afterpay. So now you have to tap onto activate after searching the Afterpay app. As you can see, now you have to install app. Tap onto install app, and then you have to log into your Afterpay account, choose your country, enter your email, then tap next. Now you have to go to Afterpay site messaging settings here, and you have to copy and paste the link, this one here, and then head over to the Shopify store and then tap onto connect. After tapping onto connect, you have to go to themes, and you have to tap onto this themes liquid option. After tapping onto this, paste the link from your Afterpay, and that's it. Now tap on to save, then your Afterpay will add it to Shopify. So this is how you can do it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.